Hi, hello students, welcome to Let's Understand Physics. In this video, we see some short answer questions based on electricity for class 10 students. These are PYQs and also NCERT questions, and you can expect these questions for your board exam CBSE 2024 as well. So these questions are just based on charge and resistance only. Okay, let's see. First one, calculate the number of electrons crossing a given cross section in 1 second to constitute a current of 1 ampere. So here they have asked you to find number of electrons. So n value you have to find, and they have given time value t is equal to 1 second and current value I equal to 1 ampere. In this case you have to find n value. So you know current formula, isn't it? What is current formula with respect to charge and the time? Here you have to take, because they are asking the number of electrons, you have to use formula with respect to charge for current. Understood? Now let's see. We'll take formula current I is equal to Q by T. Okay, this is the formula. Now here Q is equal to NE. This you have to take. Understood? So here in place of Q, if you substitute N, you can find N value, and E is the charge on electron. You must know the value of charge on electron. Okay. So E is equal to, what is the value? So the charge on electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. So that is negative value, but here we need not to take. You know charge on electron is negative. Okay, here modulus value only we will take. Now let's see. Let's substitute in place of I. What is given? 1 ampere, isn't it? So 1 ampere is given equal to N value we don't know into charge on electron 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb by time is also given 1 second. Understood? So ampere is equal to coulomb per second. Understood? So let's just simplify for finding n value. So this 1, if you send this side, it becomes 1 into 1, 1. So 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 also you have to send to the other side of equal to. Here it is in multiplication, it goes for division. So you will get n is equal to 1 by 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. Understood? So if you simplify, you will get n value 6.25 into 10 to the power of 18. So it is a number. So it represents number of electrons present in 1 ampere of current when it is flowing for 1 second. Understood? So these are the number of electrons present in this scenario. Now let's see second question. Two wires of equal length, one of copper and the other of manganin, have the same resistance. Here two conditions are given if you observe. Their lengths are equal and also they have same resistance. Which wire is thicker? That is what you have to find. Thick means the area of cross section you have to know. So what is the formula we have with respect to length and area? Resistance formula, R is equal to rho L by A, isn't it? So this is the formula we have. Now here two different wires are there. Let us take, one is copper and the other is manganese, they have told. So for R means resistance of copper, I will write RC, and manganese RM, but both of them are same, we can take it as R itself. Understood? So let's write like that. Understood? Now, you know copper and manganin are the two wires they have given. Now, copper is a metal and manganin is an alloy. So, simply by seeing itself you can say, but we'll just substitute and find out. Okay. Now, I'm just taking RC is equal to RM equal to R because they have given. In the same way, LC is equal to LM is equal to L. Understood? Now, AC and AM are different. So, rho C and rho M are also different. Understood? Let's substitute. Okay. In the formula, now R is equal to L by A. So, if you are writing for copper, it becomes rho C and AC. If at all you are writing for manganese, it becomes R is equal to rho M L by AM. Understood? Let's take the division of both of them. Understood? Now ratio R by R equal to rho C L by AC by rho M L by AM. R will be cancelled, L also will be cancelled. So from here how do you get? Rho C by rho M equal to AC by AM. This is the relationship you will get from here. Okay. Otherwise, this without cancelling here itself, what you can do? Just first take it into the proper ratio formula and then you can cancel it. Understood? However you like, you can do it because here you will have 1. R by R will become 1. That's why I have taken this one. Now, according to this relation, what we have got? We got rho is directly proportional to area. So, now copper and manganin, if you observe, copper resistivity is 1.7 into 10 to the power of minus 8 ohm meter. Copper resistivity, that means rho C. Now rho M, that is manganin, will be equal to 0.4 into 10 to the power of minus 6 ohm meter. So this is a micro ohm meter. Now when you compare these two, rho M is greater than rho C, isn't it? Generally we know alloys will have more resistivity than the conductors. Yes or no? Then with this how can you say about areas? AM must be greater than AC. That means wire made up of manganin will have more thickness than the wire made up of copper. I hope everybody understood this. AM must be greater than AC in this case. Understood everyone? Now let's see next question. Third one. What will be the change in the resistance of a wire when its radius is halved and length is reduced to 1/4 of its original length? Now, same type of question, but here you have to compare for the same wire with the change in the dimensions. In the previous question, you have compared with the resistivities of two wires, but here we have only one wire, but the dimensions have been changed. Understood? Now, let us take initial length. First length L1 is equal to L, A1 is equal to A, but here what does the shape of the cross section, that is wire, they have given here radius, that's why it is a circle. So area of circle will become pi r square. Sometimes you may have square area of cross section also. In that case you have to take a square. Understood? Depending upon the shape they have given. Understood? So here circle, that's why pi r square I have taken. Rho will be rho only for both the cases. Now this is first case. Now let's write for second case. L2 will be equal to what? It is made half. Sorry. Length has become 1 by 4 times 1/4. That's why you have to take L2 as L by 4. Then area is changed because radius is changed. Radius has become r by 2. So r2 is equal to r by 2. That means A2 will be equal to pi r by 2 whole square. That means pi r square by 4, isn't it? Understood? Now let's write r1 will be equal to rho L1 by A1, isn't it? R2 will be equal to rho L2 by A2. Now you know L1 value, L2 value, A1 value, A2 value. Can you find the relation between R1 and R2? Yes. How do you find? Let's take the ratio. R1 by R2 equal to rho L1 by A1 by rho L2 by A2. Rho will be cancelled. Then let's simplify this. A2 will go to the numerator and A1 will come down, isn't it? So R1 by R2 will become L1 A2 by L2 A1. Let's substitute the values. R1 by R2 equal to L1 is L and A2 is pi r square by 4. That is what we got. If you want, just go back and see. A2 how much we got? Pi r square by 4. Then L2 will become L by 4 and A1 will become pi r square. So L will be cancelled. 4 will be cancelled. Pi r square and pi r square will be cancelled. Then R1 by R2 equal to 1. From here R1 equal to R2. So in both the cases there will be same resistance because they have done changes for both area and also length. For you, they may ask you with one dimensions change. That means either length or the radius or the area directly they may change and ask you to find the change in the resistance. Understood? So in that case you have to do accordingly so that you will get some relation between the initial and final resistances. I hope everybody understood this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share the video to your friends and relatives, those who are studying class 10. Thank you.